transfer with the clothespin, but we don't have any clothespin, so we will transfer with our 2 fingers. Okay, आपने अपनी दोनों fingers का use करना है. Yellow pom pom उठाएं. Pick up the yellow pom pom and put it here. Put it here. Don't you have yellow? Yes. Now have this. Okay. Yellow pom pom उठाएं. Rohan, where is yellow pom pom? Pick up the yellow pom pom. पीला वाला pom pom उठाएं. सिर्फ पीला pom pom. एक pom pom उठाना है और आपने रखना है. जैसे ये उठाया, ऐसे उठाया. Pick it up the pom pom and put it in this section. Okay. Now pick up the red pom pom and put it in another section. Red pom pom. Who has the red pom pom? Don't you have? Okay, have this and put it in the section. Very good. Now pick up the blue pom pom. Pick it up the blue pom pom. Where is the blue pom pom? Here it is. Do you have blue pom pom? Yes. Pick it up. Rohan, do you have blue pom pom? Pick up the blue pom pom. This one, it's blue. Pick it up and put it here. Very good. Now pick up the pink pom pom. Do you have pink pom pom? Wow, pink, pink, pink. I said pink. Here is the pink color. Here is the pink pom pom. Do you have pink? Do you have pink? Sarafsha, do you have any pink? Pink pom pom? Where is the? Now put it in the third section. Very good. Do it carefully.